everyone, and welcome to Hosting with Susanna, where I help you create beautiful parties and fun gatherings without all the stressful planning. Today we're making my Thriving Tropical Protein Smoothie. This is the perfect smoothie to have at your Pilates party because it is so delicious and super healthy. With all of these ingredients combined together, this smoothie is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and protein. It helps support heart health, bone health, and skin health, and strengthen your immune system. So here's what you're going to need to get started. 1.5 cups of plain Greek yogurt, 1 cup of kale, make sure it's packed in good, 2 tablespoons of vanilla protein powder, 1/4 cup of ground flaxseed, 2 cups of almond milk, 1 cup of frozen mango, 1 cup of frozen pineapple. And the reason that we're using frozen fruit is because it's actually known to preserve nutrients better than fresh fruit and lock that in. Also, another great benefit about using frozen fruit in your smoothies is that it makes your smoothie a lot more flavorful than using ice, which gets really watered down. And then we're gonna have 1 cup of kiwi. We're actually gonna keep the skin on our kiwi, so make sure that you wash them up really well. And the reason that we're keeping the skin on the kiwi is because it can help to boost our fiber by up to 50%, increase antioxidants for cellular protection, provides folate, and adds potassium. So we want all those extra health benefits, especially in this healthy smoothie. And I know that when you're eating kiwi by the slices, you obviously don't want that skin on it. It tastes horrible and it has that awful texture. But the great thing is when you put it in your smoothie and it's all blended up, you don't notice that texture issue or anything at all. And the taste is just totally hidden. So all you taste is that delicious kiwi and all these other great ingredients. So we're gonna go ahead and start by chopping up these kiwis. So obviously make sure to still cut off those ends that you don't want. Even though we're keeping the skin on, we don't want those ends. And then I'm just gonna cut these into nice little chunks. Okay, we're ready to start adding ingredients into our blender. Now the order is actually really important to get to blend the best that it can. So we're gonna go ahead and start by adding our almond milk. And then we'll add our kale, our Greek yogurt, our protein powder, our ground flaxseed, our kiwi, our mango, and our pineapple. And now we're going to go ahead and blend this until it's all nice and creamy and smooth. And there we have it, our Thriving Tropical Protein Smoothie. And I always love things to just be really aesthetic at a party. So I think a really beautiful presentation to have for your guests to serve your smoothies in is to get glass juice bottles or a smoothie bottle and serve it to your guests in this. I think it just is gonna really wow them and create this beautiful presentation. Isn't that such a cute presentation? I'm sure you and your guests are gonna love it. It's so good. You never know it's so healthy for you. Enjoy and see you next time.